COVID vaccines are becoming more widely available, but health experts say it's important to get tested. Now, the U of I saliva-based test will be available to more people in Champaign-Urbana. WCIA3's Bryce Beeman's in the newsroom tonight. So, Bryce, what does this initial rollout look like?
OSF Healthcare and the University of Illinois are teaming up to offer the saliva-based test to a couple of schools and soon other businesses and organizations.
This is very, very happy news in a year where there hasn't been a lot of bright spots.
The University of Illinois teamed up with OSF Healthcare to introduce Shield CU. It will bring saliva-based tests to students at Urbana High School, Stratton Academy of the Arts in Champaign, and employees of Champaign County. Families of U of I staff members will also be able to get tested. They plan to extend it in the future to other Champaign-Urbana schools, underserved communities, local governments, and businesses.
We're so excited to see it being deployed here to help Champaign County keep a lower positivity rate and to let more of our schools and our businesses safely reopen and stay open.
Participants in Shield CU will have access to an app, which will allow them to get the results, find testing centers, and more. This is something OSF has been using during the pandemic.
This basically helps to connect back to what we're considering our first hospital without walls.
These saliva-based tests cost around $10. They are paid for through a grant, so students and parents won't have to pay.
Our goal, of course, is to make this test available to every community member at the very lowest cost.
The organizers are glad the community came together to help one another out.
All of us have worked very closely and thoughtfully to make this county one of the safest places in the nation.
But they say the pandemic is not over and testing is crucial.
COVID-19 is still around. It is not going to disappear by itself. In fact, COVID-19 is going to stay with us for a long time.
The testing will be weekly. It begins next Friday. In the newsroom, I'm Bryce Beeman, WCIA3, your local news leader.
All right, Bryce, thanks for the update. Health officials said the positivity rate in Champaign County is less than 1%, but they continue to urge people to stay vigilant since we are still fighting the virus.